So would you rather have an original oil shock with the valve in it, or would you rather have a gas shock? A lot of guys want the old oil shocks, and that's what I'm going to try on my car, is an old oil shock. That's what I remember. It's what I grew up with. And they last longer than the gas shocks. But come on in here. This is why I was so excited the other day about the drums and rotors. We got a pair of Chrysler 11.5-inch brake original drums. We've got a pair of we have 3 pallets full of rotors and drums out there. Actually, I think 4 pallets. But right here you can see an original Chrysler front disc. Here we've got a Ford Mustang 2 disc, which I also think this also fit the 68 Cobras, the Trinos. So we got a lot pulled out, and we're doing a lot to get all this stuff organized. Why am I coming on about all the foundation now? Well, it's pretty simple. None of us that started this foundation, none of the board members, really wanted to ask for handouts. Now, there are public grants to apply for, and we're in the process of doing that. But by going out to Louisville, we took it upon ourselves. By selling Ronnie Still's stuff, we keep busy. We get donations to the foundation, and we're doing something for it. Okay, we're old school men. We want to earn it. Okay, even though what we're earning is donations for the foundation, it goes towards what we feel passionate about. So that's why now the campaign's getting ready to launch. That's why now everything is getting ready to get put out there in full steam ahead, because the shipping area is set up, the sorting area is set up, the everything is home, locked in containers. We didn't want to do anything until we had the parts home and are ready to start shipping. The worst thing you can do is tell people you have all these parts and you're not ready to ship them. You're not ready to mass produce, because you know what? We've had 700 people come to the storefront. We've had about 100 people sign up for the newsletter, in which you better sign up for the newsletter, because I'm going to be giving stuff away. You think I want all this stuff? I don't want all this stuff. We're running a hell of a campaign. We're going to give it away and ship it out. All you got to pay for is shipping. Anyway, all this is about being ready. We have our storage locations. We have our sorting locations. We have our shipping area. We have our organization together. And we're ready for the nonprofit foundation to start shipping these parts out to whoever wants them. Whether it be a good set of old oil shocks, whether it be some brand new rotors and drums. Okay? You're not going to find a steel. You ain't going to find that kind of steel no more. So, lots to come. Stay tuned.